Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show. Today we're going to make vegan mango lassi.
It's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
Okay, so vegan mango lassi. So this is sugar-free and dairy-free. Yes! This is something that you probably won't be able to get out at any restaurant, but you can make this at home very simply. So I just have one mango here. It's one of the smaller yellow mangoes, but you could use half of a large, one of the green red mangoes. I'm just going to toss that in our blender. So you will need a blender. I've got a high-speed blender here, but like a NutriBullet or a Magic Bullet will work just fine. I have one medjool date. That's going to give it some extra sweetness. I'm going to do half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half of a cup of almond milk, and this is unsweetened almond milk because the sweetness is going to come from your dates, or date. And then I have 5 ice cubes. And we are just going to blend this until it is smooth and creamy and dreamy. Oh, would you look at that? Okay, now we're just gonna pour it and enjoy. Look at that. Fits just perfect. And I have here a stainless steel straw that I will give you the link below to where I've just bought them off of Amazon. We started with glass ones, but I found that the glass ones are pretty darn easy to break, especially if you have a harder sink. So the stainless steel ones, unbreakable. So, oh my goodness, so smooth and creamy. Now you can have your mango lassi dairy-free and refined sugar-free. So be sure to subscribe below and check out my Patreon page, and I'll see you next time.